Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls error, and the error is system security update required error D0000207. A vulnerable or incompatible driver was detected. Update Windows and any affected drivers, then try again. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first fix is to toggle memory integrity to on. So in Windows search, type Windows Security and open the Windows Security. Then click on Device Security. Then click on Core Isolation Details. And here you will see the memory integrity. If it is turned off, then you have to turn it on. And after turning it on, restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so you can try this. Fix 2 is to try disabling a driver called Wingring 0x64. It's for stopping RGB control of anything that requires it and fan control speed. Can't recommend it if your system heavily relies on automatically adjusting its fan speed in accordance to the heat in your PC. Since if it's low chance needed for your card to function, then you are cooked. If it's any other fans, then you can follow this fix. So in Windows search, type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, copy this code. You can also type it, or you can copy and paste this code from my video description. I will provide this code in my video description and paste it over here and then hit enter. Since I do not have the Wingring 0x64 software, so it is showing the specified service does not exist as an install service. But in your case, if it is installed, if Wingring 0x64 is installed, then it will stop the service and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to close all MSI command center related services from the task manager. You have to close down all MSI command center related services from the task manager. So go to task manager, click on the services tab, the rightmost one, and right click those services one by one and then click on stop to shut them down. So right click on the taskbar and then click on task manager to open the task manager. Then go to the services tab and here look for the services related to MSI. You can also type it over here, MSI, and you can stop them by right click on it and then select stop. It is already stopped. And after closing all the MSI command center related services from the task manager, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve error D0000207 vulnerable driver detected in Marvel Tōkon Fighting Souls game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.